take the value from the oil on, oil one. No value. And from the way regulation, still not value. And the W connection is has the value, but should be from W to W is okay, but right now it's connected to another pole. It means it's broken. We need to fix. It means the connection inside may be synchronized all. It means include all the connection, not suppress. It should be only W and W1, or W1 and W2 is only connect, but W1 and O2 is not connect but still connect. It means it's short current, short circuit, or something inside it connecting with another connection. So we need to fix.